hot. Meghan received an apology on front-page tabloid after legal victory against them. The Duchess of Sussex received a printed apology today from the publishers of Mail on Sunday after years-long legal battle. The London High Court ordered the UK tabloid to print a front-page apology for breaching Meghan Markle's privacy in February 2019 by printing parts of a 5-page letter to her father after her wedding to Prince Harry in 2018. The Mail on Sunday quietly published a mea culpa, which posted online late Christmas Day with the generic headline "The Duchess of Sussex," and acknowledged her legal victory. Under the headline "The Duchess of Sussex," the publication wrote, "Following a hearing on 20th of January 2021, and a further hearing on 5th May 2021, the court has given judgment for the Duchess of Sussex on her claim for copyright infringement." It continued, "The court found that associated newspapers infringed her copyright by publishing extracts of her handwritten letter to her father in the Mail on Sunday and in Mail Online. They were also ordered to link to the summaries of the official judgment and added that financial remedies have been agreed." The former Meghan Markle, 40, wrote a 5-page letter to her estranged father, Thomas Markle, in February 2019, after marrying into the royal family in 2018. Associated newspapers had contended that palace officials helped Meghan write the letter and therefore she didn't hold the copyright as the sole author. The court dismissed the Mail's appeal, ruling that the Duchess had a reasonable expectation of privacy in the contents of the letter. Those contents were personal, private and not matters of legitimate public interest. In a statement earlier this month, Meghan called her win a victory not just for me, but for anyone who has ever felt scared to stand up for what's right. While this win is precedent-setting, what matters most is that we are now collectively brave enough to reshape a tabloid industry that conditions people to be cruel, and profits from the lies and pain that they create, the statement said. The statement continued, "From day one, I have treated this lawsuit as an important measure of right versus wrong. The defendant has treated it as a game with no rules. The longer they dragged it out, the more they could twist facts and manipulate the public, even during the appeal itself, making a straightforward case extraordinarily convoluted in order to generate more headlines and sell more newspapers, a model that rewards chaos above truth. In the nearly 3 years since this began, I have been patient in the face of deception, intimidation, and calculated attacks." Throughout his life, Prince Harry has had cameras following his every move. After all, he's a public figure and a part of the royal family, so naturally people are interested in his day-to-day activities. These days, he's usually photographed attending charity events or going on dates with his wife, Meghan Markle. But back when he was the world's most eligible bachelor, Harry had his fair share of controversies, most of which are unfortunately documented for the world to see. Before he was Prince Charming, Harry was Naughty Harry. He found himself in the middle of a handful of scandals and cringe-worthy moments he probably regrets to this day. For instance, when Harry was only 16 years old, he reportedly visited a rehab center for a day after smoking weed and drinking. In 2004, he started a fight with a group of paparazzi who were trying to take photos of him as he was leaving a nightclub. There was also that time when he attended a costume party and sported a Nazi uniform, resulting in so much backlash. "I am very sorry if I caused any offense or embarrassment to anyone," he said at the time. "It was a poor choice of costume and I apologize." Now, Prince Harry has quite the wholesome image, but there was an incident in his past that will probably haunt him forever, and it all happened in Las Vegas. Apparently, when you are a prince, the "what happens in Vegas, stays in Vegas" rule doesn't apply to you, or at least that's how it went for Prince Harry, anyway. At least that's how it